Wow, look at that, brother. Do you believe this? Look at all of this. This is my first Mac ever. Wow. I am shocked. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to your studio for the Forest Show. This is my first Mac ever. I don't know how to use this, but damn! Look at that. Do you believe this? Do you believe this? I'm shocked. And this is the unboxing. Okay, let's go. Look at that. Here you have cable. What are you doing? This is USB cable. And I'm recording this video with the brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is definitely not a joke. Look at the keyboard. Look at how it looks like. Look at you need to remove the sachet. Everything. Damn. Let's try. Okay. Let me remove the sachet. Okay. Wow. This is definitely not a joke. Do you believe this? Okay. Wonderful. Okay, thank you, sachet. Now, look at that. Ooh, is it a joke? This is a new keyboard, brother. Do you believe this? A new keyboard. Seriously? I'm just shocked. I'm shocked, brother. I'm just shocked. What? Damn. This is from Apple. You can remove this USB. What is this, brother? What is this? I'm just shocked. Oh my God. I not expected this. This is my dad. This is a gift of my dad, brother. Today, the gift of my dad. Do you believe this? I'm not expected that today. Not. And what is this, brother? This is the mouse. The amazing mouse, brother. The amazing mouse. Do you believe it? Yeah. This is from Apple. You can charge this mouse. The design is also beautiful. Look at that. Okay, nice, beautiful concept. And what is this, brother? What is this? Is it the magic trackpad? What? Oh, I think that you can use this thing to for your DVD, your Blu-ray or something. Do you believe this? This is not a joke. This is not a joke, brother. Wow. Do you believe this? Okay. Now, let's remove the sachet. What? How to do this? Okay. Nice. Beautiful. Wow. Unboxing, brother. Ay. Look at that. Do you believe this? Is it a tripod of something to read DVD? I don't know, but what? Look at what you have here. Look at what you have here. Designed in California. Yeah. I'm just shocked. Look at all of this. Look at what you have here. Wow. I'm just shocked, brother. I'm shocked. Now, what about this amazing and big screen? This is a Mac. Wow. I don't know how you can use this, right? Look at. You need to connect this. Okay. I will do this. And look at what I have on the. Look at what I have here. Okay, you can remove something. Okay. Now, let me remove a sachet. Wow, look at how big is it. Okay. Let me remove a sachet. How to do this? What? Damn. What can I do? Be careful with this, brother. Be careful. Be careful. Okay. Look at that. Jesus is Lord. Do you hear this? Damn. Look at that, brother. Look at that. Jesus Christ. What is this, brother? I'm shocked. I'm just shocked. Look at this screen. Look at this screen, brother. Look at that. Look at all of this. This is the unboxing of my first Mac ever. iMac. This is iMac ever. I'm shocked. This is the Apple logo. Okay. Look at that. Look at all of this. Jesus Christ. I have so many ports here. This is a power jack. It's a port for your SSD. Port USB 2. Port USB 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. What? 4? Even this port. Is it a lightning or something? I don't know. And the internet port is complete. What about this port? Is it the USB-C or something? But you can see the power button here. The power button. Look at very well. You can press and it's beautiful. Look at here. I feel that you can increase the RAM here or something. Is it the fan? Maybe the fan. Wow, I'm shocked. Look at the Apple logo. Look at that. I'm just shocked. I'm shocked, brother. Wow, I'm just shocked. I don't know what to say. Okay, let's remove the sachet first. Woo! Look at that. Damn. Thank you. Another one. Wow. Look at that. Do you believe it? Let's remove Wow. I'm just shocked. Shocked. Okay. Let me do something quickly. Wow, look at that. Wow. Nice. Ooh. This is the sachet, brother. The sachet. Okay. I've not seen the screen yet. Damn. But what? Look at this screen, brother. This screen is just big. What? I'm shocked. I'm shocked. Oh my god. I'm shocked, brother. Look at how big is it. Look at how big is it. Wow. I'm very impressive. Very impressive, brother. Look at what you can do. What? Wow. I'm shocked. I'm just shocked. I don't know how to say, what to say. It's my first iMac ever, brother. Wow. This is the unboxing of my first iMac ever. Unboxing of my first iMac ever. Jesus Christ. Okay. Let's try to connect the face to electricity. Before doing this, let me show you. Look at that. This is the front camera. Wow. I'm just shocked. I'm just shocked. Look at how it look like. Big border by making black screen. Okay, the speaker is under. Okay, now let's try to connect this to electricity and see how it look like. Okay, let's do it. Okay, as you can see, this iMac is connected. And now let's see how it look like when you turn on. Okay, press on this button. Okay, look at that. Do you believe it? I'm shocked, brother. I'm shocked. This is the screen. Wow. Look at that. Look at that, brother. Look at that. How to use this thing, brother? As you can see, there's nothing connected for a moment. Okay, you need to connect this. Okay, let me make the setup first, and when it's done, I will make another video to show you how to look like or something. Okay, let's go. Thanks for watching. Wow, this is definitely not a joke.